Okay, we are going to show a new feature added to the Merchant Advantage application. If I go to product data, imports, import setup, these are all my imports, and I will open one. For example, this one, test. Okay, this is the import setup, and the second tab, import history. This tab shows the date, whether it failed or succeeded, and the outcome, message of the import. But that's it. Here we cannot tell who initiated this import at this date, at this time, whether it was a user, one of our employees, or maybe was a scheduled event. We cannot tell. Okay, this was in the old version. Now, in the new version, now if we go again to product data, imports, import setup, and we open one import, for example, let me open this one. Okay, this is the import setup again, and the second tab, we go to import history. Now we have two new columns, initiator and ID. These two columns will tell us what initiated our import. For example, this one, on September 27, this import was executed by a user, Roger. And on October 1st, this import was triggered or executed by file drop trigger. And we show the ID. If we double click on the ID, it should take us trigger definition. And this is it. The ID 3 matches the column ID here, 3. So in this case, this trigger is on file. So whenever we drop this file into the customer's store directory, automatically it invokes this import big, the one we are looking at. Okay. And we can also see on October 2nd, it was executed by schedule import. If we double click the ID, we can see more details about that schedule. For example, the ID is 13, should match the ID here in the column. Okay, it was scheduled to run daily at this day, this time. This is the import big, the same that we are looking at. So now we can tell every time this import gets executed, we can tell now what event, what was the initiator of the execution of this import. Okay? All right. Thank you for watching. Until the next feature. Bye.